Uncle, this is bullshit. This is not me. That's not me. How can I disrespect my matrimonial home? How? That is Photoshop. It's a Photoshop. It's not me.
Photoshop?
Yes, Photoshop. I didn't do this. Uncle, come on. He is the cheat here and not me.
You're not a cheat?
I'm not.
Claudia? You are not a cheat? I ask you because that is not what the incriminating evidence against you here says.
We all know you're lying. You have no evidence. Uncle, he's just trying to incriminate me. Because she asked him to do this. So that he could go on living with her. But you know what? You are nothing but a sorry excuse of a man. That's who you are.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.